Here we got a 63 Buick Electra. It's convertible, and this is painted. I don't know if this is clear coated over rust or something, but it's got.
I wouldn't.
Yeah, it's there's no rust on this thing. It's they did the wheels like that and everything. They did a great job the way they made this. I don't know if this is just clear coated over this or what. Nah. Yeah, you know what? They made it look like that. I just touched it. It looked so real. I almost was going to feel like there was jagged flaking off rust. None of it. This is actually all solid body. All solid body. It's lowered. This thing's bitching, man. The way they did this rust, I mean, somebody must have did something with an airbrush or something to make it like this. Look at the interior. Beautiful. Plenty of room. Yeah, it's wrong.
That was about 1960.
White with red?
White with red.
Okay, hang on. Was your little Electra? You better hang on. I'll bring back some memories for you.
See all this back here? That's all smooth paint. There's no roughness under that, so I don't know.
Oh, you had the 60?
Yeah, the 60 the same.
Okay. Yeah, that's still the same, but that's the 63.
Yeah, so I don't know if this was just clear coated or not, but body is totally solid.
I'm just making sure. I mean,
Even close up, you would think. Yeah, close up, you think it's real rust. You would think it's real rust. I don't think it's just clear coated over this. How'd you do this? No, I mean, yeah, I mean, this is not just clear coated, right? I mean, yeah, you made that paint look like that good?
it was yellow.
Yeah.
Painted it like that. That's all paint running in here.
Yeah, it was like, that is the best rust. I mean, this looks like rust to me.
The Plantation did it in Ohio.
Oh, wow. Yeah. I never this. I mean, I actually had to touch it where it looked like it was really flaked out. And I was like, I can't believe
layers and layers of paint.
I can't believe it. I can't believe that this was done.
Well, think about it. If it was that yellow,
yeah,
who would want a yellow car?
No, but this is bitching. I mean, it's done so well. It's like it fools you.
You saw the wheels too?
Yeah, that's when I knew that.
Aluminum wheels that rusted?
Yeah. That's when I realized it was painted. Yeah, but I was saying to myself, I never seen anybody do it this good.
And to try and make it look original as possible.
Yeah.
But not.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, I still got the original engine and the transmission, rear end, and all that. But
yeah.
I didn't want a painted car. I've had it a year. I washed it once.
Yeah, I hear that.
You know?
I hear that.
I hear that stuff. I saw a sticker on one of the cars over here. It says, "Shiny cars cause stress."
Oh, they do. They do.
Yep.
I agree with that.
I mean, I take care of it. Don't get me wrong.
I hear you.
I keep the chrome looking pretty good, but not too good because it doesn't match if you really get down there and work it.
Right.
You know, there's a few little. It's a 63. You want the mark.
Yeah.
You know.
I never seen somebody do a paint like this with the rust this good.
$11,000.
Holy smokes! Wow.
Worth every penny.
Yeah, I hear you.
I would have walked away from it if it wasn't. See, like the wear marks on here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I was like, that looks beyond real.
And it doesn't patina in here, so that's why it's still yellow, but it does here.
Yeah.
The doors too.
Yeah. I'm like, holy smokes, man.
See how the door gets lighter and lighter?
Yeah. Man, these guys.
And then the wear marks when you get.
Yeah, I mean every little detail.
I saw you touch the paint down there, thinking it was rust.
I was like, holy smokes, man. This guy thought this out to the max, whoever did this. Yeah.
Rust-free Texas car. Look at this car. Nice spot on it, right?
Yeah.
Well, when it was 3 days old, what's cool is the old lady scratched it.
Yeah.
Okay. When they painted it, that's a scratch. They made it actually worse. Make it, just because it was out, that's what it was. That's what the top of it looks pretty slick. We put it on air since we got it.
Holy smokes, man.
That's why it sits so low.
Yeah. I figured that. Airbags.
20-inch wheels on there with the other style hubcaps. Those are full caps, and these are additional caps. And they turn so you can line them up when you park, so all the Buick emblems line up. And
Wow. I just couldn't believe I've never seen a job done like this well.
and this big of a car.
And the
guy paints these all the time, and he kept it for a month because he said he had to drive it. Couldn't turn it, tried to turn loose of it.
I just never seen one done this well. This guy, he knows exactly everywhere where these damn things
When's the last
rust.
time you saw a deuce in the quarter convertible?
Never.
I haven't either before I bought it.
No, never.
Probably was just too cool.
Never.